everyone! Today we will be sewing the cat bikini bottom with the high waist option. This pattern actually comes with a lower waist and a higher waist. So you can choose between these or the other that we have already done the YouTube tutorial. So if you want to see the lower version, just go to our other YouTube tutorial. I'm just missing cutting here. I will cut it now, but just to make sure that you understand, this is the front and this is the back. Never mind that it says here fold. This is not good because this is an asymmetric piece, so we cannot use the fold. And this is our back with a center back seam. So let's start by cutting our fabric. So with our back parts already cut in our front, we are going to pin. The first places we are going to pin is the center back seam, and we are going to pin the center back seam on both fabrics, exterior and lining, and we are going to sew these areas. We now have our front piece already pinned and our back pieces. On the front we did the leg holes. We did this in the middle, and we are going to do the top. On the back, for now, we are going to do the center seams. So we have our back pieces, and we should place them right sides facing together, with our center seam already done. I know this is like this, never mind, I didn't care, this is just a test, so it's fine. But this is my exterior fabric and my lining, and we are going to pin on the leg holes and on top. For the front, I did some cheating here because I cut it the elastic. That's something that I know we shouldn't do, but I did it anyway to help me shape the curve here. Well, on my other tutorial I didn't do this, and it turned out very well, but this time I believe I did something not so perfect, so I had to cut a little bit my elastic. So I'm sorry, pretend that you don't see. You didn't see me doing this. So let's reverse our front and let's prepare our back to go to the sewing machine. Our back piece is now ready to go to the sewing machine. So the top and the leg holes. Now with your back already made, let's place the front part inside our back part with right sides facing together. I'm going to align the crotch and the sides. I'm going to pin. Make sure it's not twisted. Sometimes it happens to me that the pieces are twisted inside and we don't see it. And then I only realize that once it's on the correct side. So make sure that nothing is twisted. And then we will sew the sides and the bottom. As you could see, I aligned my straps with the top and the bottom, and on the side that we have two straps, I aligned my upper strap with the top of my bottom and the lower strap here. I also hand stitched some areas because I wanted to make sure that my seams stay in place, and once this is over it will be perfect. So let's sew the sides and the crotch. So this is done. Now we need to trim our sides and our crotch area, and then don't go yet, because I still need to tell you how we will reverse this. On my center lining piece, I reinforce the stitches with my straight stitch machine down here on both sides of a place where I'm gonna cut now and do a hole. Once I do this hole, I can reverse my entire bottom, and then we just need to finish it with the leather stitch that I've showed you before on other videos, and that I will also have a separate video with that. Keep with me until the end so you can see the final result, but if you decide not to, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, see you soon!